Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong X, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one, just tap on the video. And if it is highlighted, it means that for sure you've applied it. So now all we have to do is to enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Now let's find the video quality option. And as you can see in this device, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. It's a little bit too far, so I'm not sure. So it's 4K, I believe, 1080p, 720p and 480p. So those are the options from which we can choose, and all you have to do is to tap on the specific option to apply it. So let me choose 720p, for example, and as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.